Example 3 to go with that core concept that we just went over. Need to share all of these things. And I'm going to do one that you don't see in your book, but you are able to watch the video of it or watch me do it. It says find the areas of the sectors formed. Okay, the areas of this and the areas of this. So we're looking for two answers here. Okay. Find the areas of the sectors formed. Yes. Yes. Alrighty. So I'm going to move this over here. I think that will work. Yeah, over here. That way I can see this and show you that. All right. And I need to get my annotations. Okay, so the area of the sector. So we want the blue one. So we're going PRQ, basically, right? So we're going from here, we're going all the way to the R, we're going all the way to the Q. So we're doing blue, PRQ. Yeah. So the area of the sector, that's an A. Area, I'm going to write sector. And that's over pi r squared. Now, what is r? R is the radius. What is the radius? It's from the center to the edge of the circle, which is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. And that is, all of that is squared. Okay. And that's going to equal, oh, don't have a lot of room here. Equal the measure of the arc AB according to the formula. So what is the measure of our arc here from P all the way to Q? What is the angle there, or the measure of it? Well, what is the degrees here? We know that a circle is 360 degrees. Here they have 135 degrees. So 360 minus 135 is 225 degrees. So our measure of this arc, we're going to write 225 over 360 degrees because that's what the formula says, over 360 degrees. Okay, now we just need to solve for the area of the sector. So we need to move all of this to the right side. I just want to point out, we see here, this is the same thing as the top. The only difference is here that they put the pi r squared onto the right side already. So I could have started with that and just put this on the right side, but it's okay. It doesn't really matter that much, just so you can see it. Okay, so we've got area equals 225 over 360 times, and what is 15 squared? Let's just do that one right now. 15 squared is 225. 225. Also, let's multiply it by pi. And it comes out to be about 706.86. And that's going to be in centimeters squared, by the way. You have to keep the centimeters in there. All right, so 225 divided by 360 equals 0.625. Multiply that by what we already have there, 706.86. And I just want to double check. Yep, very good. So my area comes out to be 441.79 centimeters squared. Squared centimeters. Okay, that's area. That's the area of the blue section. So that's one of the answers. Now we need to find the area of P and Q, or arc PQ. Where's my mouse? from here all, so we got to find the area of this one. Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen and we're just going to start over. I just want to double check. Yeah, we're going to do the same process. So we're looking for area, and we're going to set that equal to the measure of the arc, which is 135 degrees over 360 times pi r squared, which is 15 centimeters squared. Let's throw all of that into a calculator. 135 divided by 360 is 0.375. Multiply that to a 15 squared and a pi, and I get, very good, 265.07 squared centimeters. Nope. Nope, my screen is doing something funky. There you go. And that would be the other part of the of my answer. Okay, so I'm just using that information, plugging and chugging pretty much. That's what we do. Why isn't it stopping?